Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's me, your girl Jenny Fan. You're welcome, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. I need it, please. And if you're not new here and you're my returning subscriber and you haven't subscribed yet, please do so before I curse you, and welcome you to my channel. So guys, for today's video, we're gonna be talking about blushes. We're gonna be asking some question. Why don't you like to wear blush? Yes, you heard me, blush. This is not a tutorial for makeup. We finished with the makeup. We're gonna be doing tutorial for just blush, because I have some concerns. I see a lot of people out. They wear full face of beat makeup but no blush. I understand, sis, it's your preference, but you need blush in your life because it's add a spark of color to your life, so you need blush. So guys, yeah, like I said, I'm going to be talking about blushes and why you need to wear blush and why aren't you wearing blushes. And as you can see, I've already done my face, full face already. I did a look on this eyeliner. I'm gonna leave the link right here so you go check that video out. I just feel like a lot of people, a lot of black people are lacking some colors on their face. I go out and I see people wear nice makeup but there's no blush. Sometimes I ask, why don't you like to wear blush? And some people go like, and you know,
it makes my face look dull and, not nice.
Reason for wearing blush, it gives a defined look on your face. It makes you look more like 5 times the way you are now with blush. So as you can see, my face, it's plain. It looks plain, right? You just only have the contour or the bronzer and there's no highlight there. Even if I put highlight, it's still gonna look plain. There's no definition on my face because there's no blush to tell me I'm good, I'm beautiful, to tell me like I'm smiling. Blush gives your face a bit of color, apart from your eyeshadow that is color sometimes, or your lips that is color sometimes, but your cheek should be color too, because when you smile, when you turn like this is what people see. People see this, but sometimes you always die and people say like, oh my god, she has a beautiful face, blush face, and they come to see the front. Oh my god, it's attractive, innit? So guys, I am gonna be doing a bit of demonstration of how to wear blushes, so if you don't know, you know now. I guess there are about 6 types of faces, even different, which does not have a name yet. So there is a heart face, there's a long face, there's an oval face, there's a triangle face, there's a round face, and there's a square face. There's 6. So any type of face there is, I don't know. If you know, please leave your comment below. My face shape, if you look at it properly, it tends to be round, so I can be in between oval or round shape of face depending on if I'm losing weight or if I'm adding weight. So depending on what facial shape you are, you will be able to learn how to apply your blush in this video. So with me, all of my videos I wear blushes, and sometimes I decide to go ham, sometimes I decide just want to be creative, just want to do editorial pose pictures or whatever, so I wear different type of blush in different areas. You can wear blush literally on your chin, on your cheek, on your nose, on your forehead, on your eyelid. You can use it as eyeshadow. You can use blush for everything, and there are so many type of blushes in the market. You got a powder blush, you got a shimmer blush, you got a cream blush, so those are the 3 type of blush I know, but I know there are different type. I think I just have 2 type of blush here with me. So number 1 blush I have, this is from Sleek Blush. This is called Flush. This is a pigment powder matte blush, very pink. I also have this blush palette here. You guys know for a long time This is a mixture of a matte and a shimmer blush, you know, all together depending on your preference of blush at what time. And we got this last blush here. This is from L'Oreal. This is all shimmer blush. So blush comes in different colors and shade. It does not have to be pink to classify that it's a blush. You get what I'm trying to say? Because some people think that, oh, wearing blush you have to wear pink, and when you wear pink it makes you look like a clown. That ain't true. You can wear blush in your skin tone color. You can wear blush in your, you know, not so skin tone color. So like this blush here, this is from Tarte Cosmetics called Thrilled. This is not a big pink blush. This is a like a nude beige blush. So even if you still put it on your face, you're still gonna be looking as if you apply blush, because it's different. It gives your face a pop of color and a sense of dimension to your face. So where can you get blushes? You can get blush from Fenty Beauty. They have their cream blush. I haven't tried that yet. You can get your blush from BH Cosmetics. You can get your blush from L'Oreal. You can get your blush from Juvia's Place. Those company, they have blush. And you can go to your local, you know, beauty supply store and buy any random blush. Even Superdrug, BOUT, wherever you have counters of makeup, they all say blush. One way or the other, blush can vary from very cheap to very high price. I do have two types of brush to apply blush on my cheek. I just have one right here. The other one was washed, so it's drying good, so I can't show you right now. So this brush is from Techniques by Sam and Nix, and this is their cheek brush. So this is just basically for the cheek. So if you want to know how to use your brushes and you don't know, so they write the name. So this is for cheek. You can see it's a very thick and dense brush and a bit of like a round edge. This is just to give a precise application. Personally, I love a bit of a matte powdered blush. I don't like shimmer blush, not really into that, but maybe I will change very soon. I'm gonna start with number one, face shape. So if you are a heart, you know, heart like this, like this, so probably your forehead to be short or deep, you know. So if you are a heart face shape, this is the blush you need to apply as a technique for your regular makeup. I'm gonna with this is semi pink blush or something like that. You want to apply your blush like this and like this upward and into your forehead. So my scarf is literally on the way, so I'm gonna move it back a bit. So apply your blush to your chin, sorry, not chin, to your cheek, and blend it out to your forehead, because at this point your face is already long and you want to make it shorter. So see clearly, you can see from there that me applying blush, it can just diminish the shadow on my cheek and give a bit of color that, oh, there's something pink there. This is how to apply your blush if you are a heart shape. You get me? Ooh. So if you are a long face, if your face is really long, including your chin is long, what brush? Okay, I'm gonna use this one underneath. This is a really bright blush. So you want to apply your blush just underneath your chin, like your, not why I keep saying chin, your cheek, really over there. So you're not going to go the top bit because your face is already long. You want to actually shorten it a bit, so you're just going to go underneath your cheek, apply it and downwards, like in a triangle kind of type, like triangle upside down. So you apply it like this and downwards. So this time around, you're not gonna go up like we did with the heart shape. You're just probably gonna go down. You can see your blush is there because your face is long. So you applying it down is not gonna, you know, give you. It's not gonna make. Or what's that word? It's not gonna take anything from the rest of your chin because your face is actually long. Because my face is short and I'm applying this down, so to look as if I'm taking all over my cheek side, I'm not. I'm just trying to say, if you are a long face, apply your blush like this and maybe downwards, like a triangle upside down That's what you need. And if you are heart shape, apply it just on your cheek, your upper of your cheek, and then blend it out towards your forehead. There you go. If you are a bit of an oval shape, which sometimes I tend to be depending on the mood, I don't know what blush to go, just because we need a color to emphasize this tutorial, so I'm just gonna keep on using pink. So this time around I think I'm gonna use this pink from Sleek because it's really pigmented and bright. So if you are an oval shape, you want to just apply your blush just on your apples of your cheek, and you have to smile and apply the blush. So that gives you the clown kind of symbol. So because my face is not really oval, so it may look as if I'm doing too much, but look at how that beautiful is. Ooh. So just on your cheek. So the best way to apply is on your cheek. Sometimes you might think that, oh, you don't need to smile to do it, you just do it like this. If you do it like this, you mix the points, you miss the placement, so you have to always smile if you're oval shaped to apply your blush. That just give it a precise application like this. Then you know that your blush is literally going. When you don't smile again, everything is complete. The next is a square shape. So with all these blushes on my face, I hope you'll be able to see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna be going for a really pigmented shade. It's still pink, but this time around I'm gonna go ham on my cheeks so you can see it, because I'll be applying blush on my face. So as a square shape, you just want, your face is already square, you just want to just apply your blush like this, like blend it out like this, like so. It's a bit of pigment here. So apply your blush like this and blend this out towards your ear. So this time around you're not going up, neither you're going down, or neither you're just tapping there. You're just blending your blush in a straight way, but always towards your ear, because you're square, so it's gonna give you a bit of dimension to your face, not making you look square. See? Exactly. So if you're like triangle shapes, you know, triangle shapes like these, I've not seen it, but yeah, like this, your chin is the beginning of your triangle. So literally your chin, your face is like this and like this. So you want to apply your blush in a triangle way, but this time around you're blending it out towards your ear. So again, I'm gonna use the side for example. Triangle face like this, yeah, down towards your ear. So you're going to be having a very long triangle shape, not towards your forehead, just towards your ear, like very close to your under eye, so it connects. I hope you guys see this, because I can't clean my makeup and reapply all this, so you have to learn with this process I'm going. So I'm looking at myself in the mirror now. So just want to apply this in a triangle way towards, very close to your eyes, but triangle upside down as well. And just a similar thing we did with the long face, but this time around you are blending upwards, not downwards. So you're still triangle, but blending upwards. And lastly, our facial shape we're going for is the round face, like my face. So if I were to wear a blush, I wear a blush on my cheek, smile, blend it just like this, just blend it. So I am not blending towards my ear, neither I'm blending towards my forehead. So I'm just apply on the cheek and blend it, apply on the cheek and blend it if you are a round face. And then apply on the chin, because our face is round like an orange, so you want to make sure if you apply on the chin, it does not look as if you have a orange face. And sometimes, personally, me, I do apply on top of the nose. I don't know why, but I just love it. So apply on top of the nose, make me look more like a doll if you think about it, and apply on the chin. So in that way this look, there's a bit of pop of color already. Compared to when we started this video, I was just plain, and now we finished this video, I'm a bit of like a Teletubbies, and a beauty as that, and a definition to my face, because I do like this, you like it. I do like this, you like it, and I do like this, you like it. And I hope you guys love this tutorial, and please be wearing blush. Don't go out there with your bare face. Nobody wants to be seeing your bare pancake face. You know, when you, some people go ham on their blush, some people, you know, don't go ham on the blush, but it's up to your preference. If I were to wear blush, I'll wear this the way I want to, but in a more modern, beautiful, sexy way. I'm not gonna apply blush too much or overdo it, that when I go out, every eyes on me and they're looking at me like, oh my god, that is too much, oh my gosh, just look like a clown. No, shimmer blush is just act as if you don't want to wear an highlight, you just wear a blush that comes with shimmer and a blush 2 in 1. So you understand me? So for the sake of this video, if I were to apply a shimmer blush, this is a orange. Look at that. So this is orange, and this is a round shape. If I'm applying a shimmer blush, just blush, you can see there's a bit of shimmer shiny on my cheeks because I apply a shimmer blush. Because sometimes when you wear shimmer blush, you don't necessarily need to wear an highlight, but when I wear a matte blush, I do wear an highlight on top of that, so everything just blend together. That's just the way I like my makeup. So, and if you do apply too much blush, you tend to know as well, because your cheek or your face become heavy. But although if you do wear too much blush, it's still nice, make your face look good, look one. I don't know what you want me to say. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you don't, still give it a thumbs up. I care so much about that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe before you go. And until then, guys, I will see you in my next video. So take care of yourself, be nice to others. If you don't love yourself, who will? And Black Lives Matter. Peace.